London sesh. Yo, what up, YouTube, TikTok? Happy Friday, gang. Last trading day of the month as well. Last trading day of the month as well. What up, Ali? First. Bro, you guys are writing first and you're like 9 comments down. But yeah, what's happening, you guys? Let's see if we can get firing on all cylinders over here. Last trading day of the month. And it's going to be a good one. Connect, bro. We're connecting, my dudes. We are currently mid-connection, so this is not gold. I just bought a $1 million in funding on Apex. Apex has a big deal on, and I just brought 4 250k accounts. See if we can add another mil to the collection. But we'll see what happens. What up, Dion? Tino, what up, my friend? Big Pez, Paul. Let's do a bit of analysis real quick. Once you pass it, then you pay a fee and you get access to the account. All right, so there's obviously like a mid-higher time frame level here. You can see how many times it's been respected on the 4 hour. I'm a bit sus that we didn't get to that point. What do you think about type 2 on gold? Let's have a look. This 4 hour doesn't have a top wick yet. Not to say that it needs to, but it's an interesting observation. The 1 hour has just opened up and melted here. Oh, look at this. So this is quite interesting how we've come up like this and potentially maybe create a bit of support here on the 1 hour. Barcode on the 30. And the 15's looking weird as well. I think what might happen is we do something like this. And then push up. But we'll see. Yeah, last trading day of the month, Friday as well. So let's just wait for like a perfect setup. Yeah, I prefer Bullinox as well. I don't like Apex, but I did it because it was so cheap. Man's about to buy to fly. He blew 800 fund on the swing. Bro, my swing signals go hard. Yeah, I blew my account. I blew my challenge. I blew $19 on a swing trade. Bought 2 Bullinox accounts yesterday. Nice. Zest out. Delita, what up, my brother? Good to catch up with you today, my friend. NQ got a nice. Let's have a look at NQ. Sus on that. I'm sus on like how it's come down and made like doji. I'd want to wait for a 30 unless this had strength. We'll keep an eye on NQ. If it engulfs like that and shows like a decent amount of strength, but even then I don't like it. I'm a bit sus. We'll see how it develops. Because you didn't have Ben, yeah. But check out this. This is like the one thing I am impressed with Apex is they've added in this platform called Wealth Charts. It's a lot more modern than fucking Ninja Trader at least, which is good. So whatever I take on my other funded accounts, I'll add on to take on this $1 million challenge account. I'll probably fuck it up because I don't know this platform, but we'll see. What do you mean you're confused what to do next for the evaluation? For the evaluation, you just trade the account. Does Top Step have a limit to how much I can make daily on the Express account? I'm not that well versed with Top Step's rules. I've never really like traded Top Step too much. Yeah, I'm sure someone else in the chat could help you there. Hi from Indonesia. What up, Indonesia? Hi from Australia. But yeah, so let's put this level up here. Let's put this level here and watch closely here. I do feel like we might fake out just to kind of fill this range and then start pushing up. I could be heavily wrong and we'll see. Doesn't matter if I'm wrong anyway. It just because I was saying that's going to happen doesn't mean I'm going to trade that. Nah, I don't know top trader too much either. Hope you're feeling a little bit more fresh today. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Had a good sleep last night and did all the shit. So yeah, I'm feeling good. Firing on all cylinders. I was fine yesterday. It was just a big day on the chart. So just like mentally chopped. New platform means trade is a lottery. Just press. Yeah, it's going to be lottery. I might have to be using the lottery strategy, honestly. Yeah, so I'm just trading 2 of my accounts here. I'm just waiting. I'm just going to leave this one for a couple of days until my payout comes through. And then these other 3 have $40 on them. So I don't really care about that. And then the other ones are sitting in the back end waiting to be activated. So I'll probably activate them and come in fresh with the other accounts on Monday. What's your stop loss? Bro! Big Marius, what up, what up, what up? Yeah, Perry's doesn't even know what sleep is. How's your day, bro? My day's going impeccable. Hope you guys are doing well for your Friday. Hey, yeah, just a couple of things keep in mind. Remember on Friday, like there's 2 scenarios. There's actually 3 scenarios. You have a good system and you just kind of chip away and do your thing and you're feeling okay. But there's 2 other scenarios what happens on Friday. You've either had a shit week or a good week. Realistically, you want to be in between. Like you want to just have a, you know, just a usual week, which is like an okay week. Like you made money. But if you had either 2 extremes, be aware that on a Friday, there's a tendency to like either risk more because you've had a good week and you feel like it's okay if you lose a portion, which I think isn't the worst idea. But the worst idea is you've had a shit week and there's the most common idea and you want to finish with a bang. Like, let me really go in heavy and try and get some shit back of all the money I've lost or whatever it is. Bro, just treat this like any other day, honestly. And if you don't even get a setup today, that's totally fine. If you don't get a setup today, that's so good, man. It's fine. Because I'm going to be trading this with over multiple accounts. I'm probably going to go a bit heavier. So there's a high probability I could fucking finish the week with a kick in the schlong, but it's just trading. I know over 100 trades, I win 70 of them. Wins and losses are evenly distributed. I mean, randomly distributed. So it doesn't matter what happens today. Big Chuck, what up? I'm an island guy. Has a new water? The new water's amazing. Yeah, new water's amazing. Yep. I'm never going back. I'm never going back to tap. Don't go back to tap. Can you please check NQ? Okay. I can do that. Yeah, we've got a big level here. We might get some volume kind of kicking in now and see if we can get a break below. I'm not mad at the idea of sells like a wick fill over here. Is this like a 30 or a 1 hour wick? Yeah, look, we've got a big 30 wick here. I'm not mad at a 15 breakout. We've moved quite red. We'll see. There was a good play here on NQ before. There's a breakout of this level here. Retest and continuation. I missed it. There was also a good, for you guys in the mentorship now, we were talking about the counter trend type 2s. Did you guys see that on the 1 hour on gold? I guess it was a bit debatable. Like, nah, I wouldn't have taken it. The body's probably too small, sorry. And it looked a bit messy on the other time frames. So yeah, let's see what happens here. You've started trading better results with higher time frames? Yeah, nice. That's good. Still have a discount code active? I don't know. Does it still work? Can anyone check? This is the Bullinox discount code, if you can see it down here. YRB9. Yeah, I think it works. I think a lot of people bought some last night. Wow, look at this. 520 people have paid for these accounts. Yeah, so this is a code. If anyone wants 91% off these Bullinox accounts, up to 250K, YRB9G. How much have I made so far? 528 times 5. Oh wow, 230 300 US dollars. That's pretty good. Everyone's getting cheap accounts. I'm getting kickbacks. Yeah, deleter. And it was just kind of weaker body on the 1 hour as well. Oh, Kashi used it last night. I just used it. Nice, nice. Okay, yeah, it's still working then. You're in longs on gold? Yeah, my bias isn't, I don't know. I don't know what my bias is today. The big thing is I want to see what type of reaction. What I believe is going to happen is we're going to dance down here for a second and fake out and come back up and just fill some of this range to at least somewhere down here maybe. Maybe we'll get a little trade down there, but I don't want to. I'd rather buy gold. If we do come down, fake out and continue up, I'd much rather buy gold and get like, you know, this kind of happens and get a type 2 set up here. Type 2 long position, but yeah, we'll have to wait and see how it develops. But I do feel like that's going to happen. And you know the old saying, trade on how you feel, not what logically and structurally the market's actually doing. Brought like 7 accounts so far from your code. Nice. Is there a way to buy 2 at once? You can fucking stack as many as you want, my friend. I've been going down the rabbit hole all day, writing down keywords and definitions. I'm 19. Beautiful, man. Looks like you're doing the right thing, man. You're studying first. You're studying first. You're not worried about the money just yet, which is exactly what you should be doing. Oh, look at this. We're breaking the slow here. Yeah, I told you this motherfucker was going to come down here. Hey, Daniel, you passed your accounts? Yes, ma'am. But I just stacked up on literally $1 million worth of accounts here. Hey, does anyone know? Can you pass Apex in one day? Can you pass Apex accounts in one day? Are you allowed to do that? I'm asking for a friend. Oh, you can? Wow. Damn, my friend might be funded $1 million by the end of the day. And there's 30% consistency after you pass? Yeah, I'm fine after I pass, but I want to go aggressive while I'm in it. Yes, a lot better, bro. Thank you. Yeah, a lot better. It's about to go heavy. Nah, I'm only taking the piss. I don't know if I will. I don't think, like, with our kind of system, I would typically take two trades. Because they have trailing drawdown. liquidity grab. I don't know about that. Maybe it just tested that level. Wait, how long do I have to purchase? Oh, if you're with Bullinox, yeah, your master account can sit there for as long as you want. Fazan, I think from memory, with Apex, when they don't have the 1 day passing, is you can technically pass it in 1 day, but then the other 6 days, you can just put on like 0.1 lot and just like open one trade and then close it. Just to say that you have technically traded 7 days. Yeah, maybe I could see it. I could see it leaving here as well. I could see it leaving from here. Luke, the best platform is this one called Project X, bro. Don't they ban you for that? I don't think there's anything wrong with it legally, like in accordance to the rules. I'm pretty sure that's what I did with them back in the day. But now you can just pass in 1 day and you're all good. Oh, okay, sweet. How many lots do you trade with? I don't know. Not many. Nice. Still waiting for Dan to DM Tory trades. Shit. If I pass 1 million funded, I'll DM her. If I get 1 million funded here, I'll DM her. If I get 2 million funded, let's say I get like a medium day where it's like 260 times 20. USD to AUD. What do you guys reckon about an average day of 8K? If your country's not listed amongst the countries on registration, what is one required to do? Move countries! AK can get you some real good water. Hell yeah. Counting down payments for Lambo. Bro, you can own a Lambo for like 2K a month. Billions and billions. But that's actually that's not even a good way to look at it. I understand what you're saying, but if you actually believe that, then you would just get smaller accounts. Like it's the fact that if when you go in profits and your trailing drawdown stops at the threshold, you can build and get large amounts of shit. But even that, to have technically 150K funded is still incredible. Or not funded, but like capital. You don't have to talk it down, bro. It's how's the weather? It's rainy as hell. Yeah, it's all rainy and stuff. Maybe we should have a look. Damn, this bridge has been read so much lately. I have huge respect for live traders because they're not Replay traders? Yeah, exactly, bro. Replay traders is a funny way to put it, but it's, yeah, it's a good, that's true, man. Please give me some tax loopholes. Move to Dubai. Hey, in all seriousness, is anyone here in the chat do you live in Dubai and you've moved to Dubai from your country of origin? Not like, oh, I went there or my friend has done it. No, like, have you specifically ever done that? If you have, please say something in the chat so I can follow you and fucking DM you and ask you a lot of annoying questions. Because, man, it's like, it's more complicated and more expensive than I was anticipating. Beat rice. Oh, fuck. Move to PR? What the hell's PR? I moved from France to Dubai. Really? Jamal, do you have me on any social medias? Can any of you guys message me at all? Man, I would absolutely love to pick your brain. I'll even pay you just to pick your brain, bro. Raja is scammer and fake trader, so I wouldn't live with him. Nah, Raja's a good dude. Yeah, Puerto Rico, same. Yeah. I'll message you on Discord. Yeah, amazing. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Epic. Oh, wow, Toledo, really? Okay, yeah, awesome. Looking forward to that then. It's a one-on-one for you, but it's actually secretly for me. What time is it? It's 1:30 p.m. tomorrow. Let me check. I swear I didn't see that in the calendar. Oh, yeah, it's there. Yep. So, yeah, look, here we are here. I have a feeling we're going to hold here, create a bit of support, and then break below the next one. Yeah, what Perry said. No, Regin never shows his live executions. No, he does. But the thing is, whether it's real money or not, because he owns a brokerage, but he definitely like trades live. But yeah, the guys that trade on prop firms are probably the most legit because, you know, you can do anything with the broker backend. You don't even need to own the brokerage to be able to manipulate a broker account to look like a real account. But with prop firms, you can't do it unless you're heavily sponsored by a prop firm or something and they give you access. But prop firm traders that do it live, it's pretty fucking legit. Mama, don't you cry, I'm sorry. Really, Paul? Okay. Yeah, I'll keep you posted. That's good to know. Thanks, bro. When he trades live, he only makes a few pips, but when he shows his trades off stream, they're magically 50 to 100 pips. Yeah, but like, I kind of get it. Like, sometimes it's just how it works. I don't know. I don't know enough about Raja these days, but that happens to me. I get some pretty big trades off stream as well. Maybe you just kind of a bit more risky when you're not on stream because you do realize there's like 1,000 people watching you, and unfortunately, a lot of people take the trades as well. passed 100K in 3 days. Nice. Thanks for discount. Beautiful, Dan. How's your month going? I'm firing on all cylinders. I'm doing really well this month. I always do well. Like I always have green months. I always have green months. Wish we can have that move we had the other day. Smooth move. We can. It's entirely possible. It's entirely possible, Joe Rogan. Did you learn off Raja? Yeah, in the early days. So Raja was like one of the first guys I kind of learned off because he's a price action trade, just clean charts. And that's, I gravitated towards. I'm like, yes, like simple trading. There's no crazy shit. You know, so I got mentored him like when I first came into the game, and then I left, went around the world for about a year and did all these bullshit strategies and kind of came back to simple price action, and then really started to fine tune this and develop it into my own. Yeah, exactly, Krishan. What is your YouTube? Same name as my TikTok name. I'm live on YouTube right now. Hey, you guys on YouTube, drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. Only 300 likes here and 650 people have been here. Only 33 likes. If we get to 100 likes, I'll do a giveaway on Monday. I'll give away some free accounts. Why do you think the ICT guy hates on negative risk reward so much? Does he? Yeah, I'm not sure. Is TJR Bootcamp on YouTube a good place to start? I've never watched it. I don't know, sorry. Yeah, I don't know. I would say don't, like, if you're just fresh in the game, don't try and learn a course yet. Like, just do random research. Like, understand the basics first for a couple months. Don't, like, learn it yet. Don't learn a strategy yet. It's making the frogs gay. No, that was Alex Jones who said that. They're making the frogs gay. Oh, nice, Fazan. Beautiful. What prop firm has a 90% off? Bullinox. This is the code, 90% off, you guys. This is the last day, literally. Oh, you can see it here. Look, 05, the 30th of the 5th, 2025 is when it ends. Today's last day of 91% off. Up to $250K dollars account. YRB9G, Bullinox. Oh, look, 5 people have bought some on this stream. Do you make trades? I never see you trade. Do you know why you never see me trade? Crypto get find us 777 is because you're in a TikTok chat. And what you do is while you're death scrolling, completely frying your brain with like the most, you know, shit. Sometimes you'll see me pop up and for 3 seconds, your brain rot brain goes, let me watch this dude for a second. And then it clicks in, I need more. Endorphins hit and you just keep going, keep scrolling. Trading is a game of patience, right? So I'll sit here for hours on end until I see exactly what I need to see. You're just stuck in the loop, bro. And I'm just a guy, you know, as you're going past, I'm just waving as you go past, right? So that's why you never see me trade. Apex always also has a 90%. Yeah, that's why I just stacked up on it's more than 90%. I swear to God, I just got 250K accounts for cheaper than fucking, yeah, for real cheap. Can you share your strategy? Ooh. Yeah, I know, Kelly. Next month, gonna switch from Forex to futures. Nice. Yep, do it, bro. Yeah, I know. That's why I was like trying to be extra careful with my wording halfway through there. How do you handle Bullinox payout rules? They're kind of dicky. I don't find them dicky at all. What don't you like about them? Saw your Instagram post today. What do you write on your journal? Yeah, a few people asked me about that. I was surprised. It's just, I keep my journal short and sweet. Today I did this. Today I felt like I got closer to this. Routine is 100%. Got a lot of clarity. And I just keep it short and sweet. I just hit like the key areas of what I need, and then that's it. I'm not like writing like to fucking future me and like going, it's just short and sweet. Just boom, boom, boom. Just get your thoughts out. It makes you actually think that what else happened? Like what else? How do I feel? Like that's it. Then when do you read it? I don't know. Maybe one day in the future. It's not about reading, or it's not about ever anything in the future. It's about right now sitting and thinking like, what am I? How am I? How has my day been? Like it's about being present. That's really all it is. It's not about like a love note or anything. Luke, you're on futures, not Forex. Or the other way around. Yeah, switching from Forex to futures is really, really easy, man. You have to grow an account to 4K, then withdraw 1K. No, that's not true. You have to grow a 100K account to 3,100. And then from there, you can withdraw. I think the minimum is 1,000, right? So it's good, but you can always have your fucking drawdown at that three grand ahead. I know it kind of sucks, but the reality is you want to get ahead of the drawdown. Use it as like a safety net. A trader needs 2 years. Wait, what are you talking about? You don't need 2 years. Why don't you trade with your own money? Why don't you trade with your own money if you're so profitable? Because why would I do that when I can use other people's money? I don't have $2 million of disposable money, but I can get that real easy and use someone else's. That's why. That's exactly why. I've been learning from Rahi FX. I've been learned pretty much. You've learned everything on his platform. What would you expect, say, for fine tuning? It depends what they offer, because, you know, learning the strategy is one thing, and then it's really understand the nuances, and then developing as a professional trader as you advance through the levels of your trading journey. And then that's where you need to like have a good relationship with him to get him to help guide you through these stages, so you can continually not get caught up. Because you got to realize guys will still like be in the game for like 2 years and they'll still die. Like they'll still die. So like if you've got a guy that's close to you that's doing it, keep a close relationship with him, especially if you're paying him. So good. I never really looked at the charts that way before. It really gives you so much information to work with. Wait, what's that? Oh, the lads down the coast. Yeah, nice. Yeah, where's this volume at? NQ, what do you got? I'll give NQ a crack. When I jumped on the stream, I said if the 30 can close up there, I said that in my head. I didn't actually expect it to happen. Yeah, I didn't actually expect it to happen. Can you teach me? Yeah, just keep showing up to the stream. I'll teach you how to lose. I'll teach you how to Dougie. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it might come back to its bottom wick. We'll see. I'm serious, one line. Yeah, just Emma, you just start on Google. Like start the ground up. Like Google, just Google the basics. You know, start showing up to stream. You'll start to understand a bit of the flow of things. Jump scare part 1. Yeah, I don't have the desktop noise on, so you probably wouldn't hear it. Yeah, we'll see if we can get a continuation here. I don't know. But I did say in my head, if this happens, I'll enter. So I can't not enter. I said that. I said I would enter if that happened. I'm not trading one on stream. I'm trading 2 right now, Ryan. But you just link them all together. Yeah, I don't know if you got any of those accounts, Ariel, that you know, while they were on special. Ryan, this platform that I'm using has a copy trader already inbuilt in it. So yeah, I use the inbuilt in-house copy trader. You're trying to fight feminism out here, so it's hard being an alien. Yeah, we'll see if we can get a pop here. Gold, you got anything? Yeah, we'll see if gold wants to break below this level here. All right. What's your strategy? Just price action. Yeah, just trying to read the candlesticks over here. What's your school education? As in like what year and stuff? Like I finished year 12, but I was like smoking weed and I don't know if I can say that. I was doing bad. I was just like not a good student. But I did finish. I just scraped through. I don't know how. How do you read price action? Just time on the charts. Make sure you do your due diligence, like learn the basics, start from the ground up, and see if we can get a pop past this point or not. I know it's like pretty average looking on the 1 hour. 4 hours not too bad. How old are you? I'm 34. On Project X, Grim Reaper, there's a button up here somewhere. There's a button up here somewhere like that says reset. or load layout. There's something about layout. Oh, up here. Oh, you can't see, but up the top right, there's a thing that says layout. And you can reset your layout. Yeah, I think I'll take this trade every day. If this doesn't play out, I'm pretty happy. If it breaks its own bottom wick here, I'm going to cut 50%. I'm going to put an order here right now, a buy limit of 50%. Sell stop of 50%. That if it breaks its own bottom wick, I'm just going to cut 50% straight away. Because it should kind of pop. It shouldn't really be breaking its bottom wick now. I'll put it at like maybe 3 ticks below. But yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with that. I'm not a huge fan of how it looked on the 1 hour, but everything else looks pretty good. If it doesn't work out, I don't think there's nothing to be upset about there. Yeah, Project X has a mobile app. Yep. I wouldn't suggest doing that though, personally, but you do you. Who am I to say? Are you long or short? I would say I'm long. 6 foot, mate. Long as it gets. Yeah, there's like not much volume here on gold right now. There's not much volume on gold. And this 15 here closes in 2 minutes. Like we got that pop, we got that initial pop. Have trouble deciding when to close. Depends what you mean. Do you mean like if it's looking ugly? Just set some rules or something. But in terms of when to close when you're in profit, you should already have an area like that you know that you're anticipating price to move towards. That's where you take it. Are you married? No. Yeah, Cody, yes, that's right. Yeah, if you applied through my genuine platforms, Cody, yes. But there are scammers out there and shit, so be careful. Low volume is pain. I think there's volume. There's volume in NQ, but gold looks like it's died in the ass a little bit. How to get the drawing tool? The drawing tool I use on stream is Zoom. It's just Zoom. The Zoom app has a drawing tool. Who's this? Who are you talking about? Me, Victoria? Big Mitch. He's risen from the dead. What's happening, brother? Your code applicable for which account? All of them, except the 25K. Last day for the code, you guys. YRB9G for 50K up to 250K accounts. Bullinox. Get in before all the stock's gone. All right, I'm going to cancel this thing here, and I'm going to bring this up higher. So I can lose a little bit less. Because in theory, if it breaks this wick, it's like, what are we trying to do? You know what I mean? What games are we trying to play after that? Yeah, 91%, bro. It's crazy. Crazy clocks. Wow, gold is just like completely stuck. Completely stuck. That's unbelievable. Yeah, let's see if NQ wants to be good to us or not. At least we get to lose a little bit less now that that 15 closed. That's a good thing. That is one good thing. PCE data, that comes out in exactly 5 hours, or a bit under 5 hours. 4 hours and 45 minutes. So I've got a bit of time. NQ and gold. NQ and gold I play with. Oh. How to withdraw money from Pocket Broker. Bro. Broad. Mummy Tory. Nice, Cody. Awesome, brother. Let's go. Let's go. Good boy, NQ. Good boy. Break your motherfucking whip so I can go break even. I want to go break even if it breaks its own wick. Or you know what I'll do? I'll move my stop below this current 15 wick. And I'm going to take off size in a second. Alright, I took off size? Why did I not take off size just then? I'm out. Bro, what position am I in? Oh my god, I just opened up a gold position. Flat null! Autism! Professional trader here, apparently. God damn it. Dubs in the chat if you guys caught that. I don't like to be stuck in trades for that long, but sometimes it happens. At least it played out. Did anyone else catch that? Dubs. Wait, look at this. Look. I went to close a position, then accidentally opened up a gold position. Yay, I don't know how to trade. Nice. At least that was a clean dub. Secured 181. Nice. Good way to finish your Friday. For you guys that caught that, 500. Wow. Connect your chart and order thing. I'll have to figure out how to do that. I'll have to ask you how to do that, Kashi. Oh, Matt, you caught that? Nice. Watch how many people leave now the stream. They just pip and dip. Look, I think we secured profits at a good point as well. Beautiful. So let's see if we can get one more rat scalp over here on gold. And then we'll call it a day for Friday. Because guess what happens now, you guys? Worst case scenario, we finish the day break even. We as in me. And if you want to as well. Worst case scenario, we finish break even if we get a gold trade here. Incredible. Best case scenario, we get another win and then finish with a bang on Friday. But regardless, like, who gives a shit, right? It's just trading. It doesn't matter. Like, this one trade doesn't matter, I mean. Trade's so empty. Oh, look at this. I actually like that this is your impression. Look what this guy said. He said, your chart is so empty. There's no information. This is just mambling. right? So you think in order to be a successful trader, you need a fucking bunch of shit on your chart, right? What do I tell him, boys? But anyway, nice dub there. Let's bag that one for the journal, you guys, as well. Make sure you guys bag that for the journal. You guys in the mentorship know, like, I'm sure you guys can look at this and you know exactly what's happening. I do also like that the area where it was, the position was taken was past this shit as well. There's like a level here. So the entry was right there above a bit of that shit. So, you know, we'll throw a thing here, bag it for the journal. And I think that was a good trade. I think we took profits at the right time as well. Like, I was meant to only secure 85%, but I end up closing the whole thing because I have autism. Stop was over here. It's pretty tight. Like, the stop was good, man. But we see how I like as the trade developed as well, just moving your stop loss up. I was going to put it under the next 15 and, like, you know, just kind of adjusting it to save money along the way. So yeah, just bag that on the 30. There's not a ton of information on the 15, but I'll bag it anyway. I'm not going to lie, bro. We could literally get another sell here. We could get a sell here. Because I wasn't too hot on how the 1 hour was looking. It's hard being an alien. Yeah, they think that you need a lot of shit on your chart. Back-to-back Green Day. Nice, Cashy. Man, you guys, I'm not going to lie, man. I've been on fire, bro. I don't know when I took like I don't know when the last like actual L trade I took, other than this morning I blew an account because we were on the Asia stream and I was like, I'm going to take a swing trade here. Like, apparently I'm a swing trader, and then it just blew the account. So that's always fun. But I haven't taken an actual trade and lost since I think 2020. So what was that at NQ? Pretty simple. It was just like a 30-minute type 2. A lot of you guys keep asking as well, like with these type 2s and shit. If anyone wants to learn the strategy in depth in a mentorship, if you type Daniel Holmes trades in Google, you can apply for the mentorship. Like, you know, we're really about this life, so you can fucking come along the journey or not. You can change your life or not, my dudes. It was a long position here. Type 2. It's a Friday. Does anyone know how to measure that range? Like, did any of you guys in the mentorship catch that and know how to fucking calculate this range on NQ? What's 16 points in terms of ticks? Oh, nice, Cody. Awesome, bro. Is that can't be 65 ticks, can it? Ariel, we have lower tier stuff now as well. But yeah, you want that. Therefore, 16 points equals 64 ticks. Bro, did we just catch a 64 tick push? Holy fuck. Bro, we really are him. We really might be him if we think about it. I'll put the stop loss at like, because we did move it up, I'll put it at like 40 ticks. Partials, no, because I closed the whole thing. TP was hit. It was a win. It was based on the 30-minute London Open. Profit was 245. I'll just say 250 over 2 accounts, so 500. And let's just add in the screenshot. Calabunga. I'll be honest, I've got about 5 other trades I need to add into my journal. I'll do it tonight. I've got about 5 other trades I need to add in here. Cool. Bro, I'm secretly Ben. I'm secretly Ben. Yeah, we really fired on all cylinders there on that trade. So let's have a look. Has the gold presented anything just yet? Wow. Wow. Fuck me. Fucking donkey. How much profit do you try to aim for per session? Don't really think about it. Just all I think is this a good trade? Averaging around 300 a day per account. 300 US per account. Over 18 accounts soon. Gordon Ramsay. I'm the Gordon Ramsay of fucking these charts, son. Yeah, I'm a bit sus on this level down here with these wicks untested again. I mean, it's pushing down pretty far here, but I would honestly be open to a sell. Oh, it's a 30-minute closure. And a 1 hour. Okay, we've got a 1 hour coming up here. We might get some shit happening very shortly here. Just like something didn't just happen, but yeah, you know what I mean. Sometimes I wish I could take away how much your TP and SL is. What do you mean? In terms of how much money it is? You can do that. You can change it to ticks, so you don't have to see the actual money amount. I just realized you made 1K in 10 seconds. Well, it was longer than 10 seconds. Potential head, bro, I wouldn't be looking at any head and shoulder stuff personally. Like right now. Like it's cool to look at to kind of be like, oh, it's an interesting thing, but yeah, I don't know. What journal do you use? It's just a Notion template. Like we have it in the mentorship, you know, Perry put together how to make it. So if you click here, you'll find that Perry in the mentorship made a video for all the guys that join.
All right, guys.
How to actually
Today
set it up.
I'll be showing you how to create your own journal.
But it's nothing too crazy, bro. It's nothing too crazy. I trade in US dollar, USD. 30-minute wick fill on MGC. Let's have a look. Bro, what the fucking planet are you on? Like, I love you, but what planet are you on? Because look at this. This is a 5-minute chart. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. In 40 minutes, we have been stuck in a 30 pip range. Type shit. So I don't know. We'll just have to wait for gold to do something. Wick City on the 1 hour. Oh, you did that over 4 accounts, Kashi. Beautiful. You guys in the mentorship, you understand how like textbook that was, right? And I didn't say it out loud, but when I jumped on the stream, I thought if that current candle could push up and close exactly how it did and wick down, I'd be interested. And then I jumped over and I was like, oh my God, I did it. Can't not take the trade. It's what I said I would do. If you ever say in your head that I'm going to do a thing and then that thing happens and you bitch it, you literally need to get like a mouse trap and put it on your... Oh, fucking hell. Bullinox a monthly cost? Yeah, until you get funded, then it's just a 1 fee. Mentorship monthly payment? Yes, that's right. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. How do you know when there's going to be news? You go to a website called forexfactory.com and you scroll down to wherever and see these things with red folders. You look next to it, and if it says US dollar and you trade gold or any pair that is correlated to the US dollar, when it hits that time, which here it's 10:30 p.m. my time, so in 4.5 hours, high impact news is going to hit the market, and you don't want to be involved in a trade while that's happening because it's very unpredictable. I remember one of the first ever challenge accounts I ever paid for, and I was like, man, I'm going to do a challenge account. I'm going to get funded. I held a trade through news, and I was just like trading, all going good, and then my account just exploded, and I was like, what the fuck just happened? It was so scary. I was like, is this... Yeah, it was scary. I went to the illegal 5-minute chart. That's good. Is there only... a lot? Gold is called MGC. Can I try to show you the trade I backed out of yesterday? Absolutely. Chuck in the Discord. Are you in the Discord? Any of you guys on YouTube, if you guys on TikTok want to join the free Discord, I'm going to pin the link in the YouTube chat right now. And if anyone has any analysis they want to throw on the Discord, throw it in now and we can bring it up and see what you guys are looking at. Throw it in the analysis section. Suman over here. Suman's a good trader. Took a nice breakout trade here. He showed you where he executed and took his profits. Suman's been on the stream since I first ever started streaming, and he trades very similar. So yeah, anyone has any analysis, throw it in. Oh, that happened to you too, John? That's funny. Yeah, MGC's micros. You don't want to trade GC, man. It's too like, you want to be able to take off size and things like that. You don't have Discord? Well, you got to get it, brother. What's your YouTube channel? It's the same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. I'm live there right now. I'll pin the Discord link in the chat on YouTube. All right, come on, man. Does any of these markets want to... We're going to get a move here. We're going to get another move. I can feel it in my butt. Oh. I know a lot of people are going to tune out right here, and I'm not going to preach anything. Let me just read one thing. Forget where it came from. No, actually, I won't. You won't get it. Preach. This section I'm up to in the Bible is fucking phenomenal. I read like half a page. I'm just like, what the fuck? What the fuck? You know what I mean? I was just like, you gotta be kidding me. All the answers are there, bro. But you don't get it until you get to a certain level in life, I feel like. A level in life, like a level of understanding, like the rules of the game almost. Anyway. Moa, my advice is Google. Just start on Google. Nah, the advice I was going to read, it's more related to, like, you kind of have to kind of be on your journey a little bit. Nah, it's right here, deleter. Download Discord then, bro. It depends, relaxed music. It depends which tier you go for. Read it? No, I don't know if it's relatable. I think it was just relatable to me at the time. It's just talking about when you align yourself. Okay, this is what it is. The principle behind it is if you align yourself with the rules that God has kind of laid out for you in the game of life, he then essentially is like, I've got you, bro. And Like I never knew that good luck was a thing or prosperity or anything was a thing until I started connecting. All of a sudden, good luck's a thing. Like, what the fuck? When do I get luck? Like, luck isn't luck. Luck is an actual gift. You get guided. And the whole premise is like, if you can live in accordance to the rules that are laid out, you will be guided in the right direction. Luck will become a thing. All these things will happen. And you can go, oh, look at this, unsubscribing our religious trading. That's why I don't like to say it, because people roll their eyes. I used to be that guy. I used to think religion was like for losers that just couldn't find their path in life and they had to like cling on to something. And I'm like, no, I get it, bro. Anyway. Yes, I do, Vivian. Yeah, I respect Nick. I know he's a religious guy as well, which is good. Well, he's more I wouldn't say I'm a religious guy. I'm just a guy that is interested in the... Bro, this guy named Jesus is coming soon said I'm unsubscribing. Fuck me. Are you the one talking to me right now on Telegram? Let's think for a sec. Think about that. You know what I mean? Exactly, Kath. Check gold. This is gold. Does Bulldogs have a minimum deposit? Bro, what do you mean deposit? There's no, you're not fucking buying a car. Thank you, Cody. What book was it? That's the Bible. I was reading Proverbs. Oh, Proverbs. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Matt. NQ. So where we are. So let's let price cook for a minute here, you guys. Let's let price cook for a minute, and see if it wants to cook anything up for us. We're just going to need to be a bit patient here. Love the stream, always makes you laugh. Thanks for being here, Gary. Gazdog 3000. Bro, I'm only 2 pages into that one, Perry, and I'm just like, fuck. Because all before this, it's all about how man has just failed, and God's tried to rebuild. But yeah, now we're getting into the juicy shit. Please explain Bullinox. Yeah, you guys, last day for these discount, bro. 91% off. 91% off Bullinox accounts. It's your last day, limited edition. 91% off. This is the code YRB9G. You can get yourself up to $250,000 in funding. YRB9G, 91% off. Last day fucking remaining. Look at this, 538 has been sold. Long time, bro. Sparkles. You can't just say that and expect me to know anything about anything you're saying. And I don't recognize your name. I don't recognize that name. Are you a salesperson? Grab those while you can. And on the checkout, make sure you grab a couple 100K accounts. Veneers affiliate code. Can I buy a girlfriend with the 90% off? You can. You have to go to a particular part of the world. And you can, yes. I need Daniel Holmes merch. Daniel Holmes merch dropping 90% off merch. You can get a fucking Zest Trader on your fucking jumper. What are the mentorship tier prices? I don't deal with that, to be honest. It's my team that sorts all that out. So they'll figure out what's best for you, bro. Yeah, and you guys, you want to type Daniel Holmes Trades into Google, you'll find a link to my mentorship over here. And yeah. Yeah, we have a real low tier, which is just like a PDF of the strategy, which I'm like, bro, that's so shit. But I'm like, I guess some people want it, but you won't get far with that. Like, it's kind of a waste of time. I don't even know why we have it. Oh, nice, Chris. Connect, bro. Doesn't matter. Commodity traders? Yeah, yeah. Connect. Start a brand called Unprofitable. No, bro. No, bro. No. If I buy 2 accounts, can I link them? Yes, sir. You can link the shit out of them. Can you do a tutorial on how to do it? Should I do a tutorial on how to link accounts? Daniel, please give me a discount in the mentorship. No. No, the linked accounts, you just go to the left here, bro. There's a settings thing, and then you click copy trader up here. Still got a chance to enter a wick fill? I'm not even thinking about a wick fill. I'm thinking about a breakout. This isn't enough of a wick for me to fill. That's just nothing. Did you study, bro? Bro, I studied, bro. Nah, I thought that as well, Surf Bros, but some, I think it was Shem or Cash, he said you can link different sized accounts. I think it means the master account, the lead account has to be like the 100K, and then the followers need to be fucking, you know what I just realized? I forgot to take that trade on my $1 million account. Stupid. Yeah, the discount for Bullinox is permanent. It's forever. And again, it's only until you get funded on the account, then it's nothing. Look at this, $540. Let's do the math again. 540 times $4.50. Oh, wow. Time to reverse trade the 1 minute. Cody, if you join the mentorship, say goodbye to the 1 minute, the 5 minute, like, get the last bit of 1 minute revenge trading out of your system, because it's all going out. It's going out the window. Finally found your real account. How do I set up a buy for 18 funders at the same time? Hey, Corey, if you don't know how to set up a buy position, you shouldn't have bought 18 fucking accounts. Hey, surgeon, where do I cut? I've got a scalpel. Oh, you just joined the mentorship. Nice, Andrew. Let's go. Fuck yeah, you can go through the content, get familiar with everything. And on Monday, we go in hot, my dude. We coming in hot Monday for you. So awesome. We stream the Asia session every day in the mentorship as well, every morning. So yeah, we've got a lot of time to learn together, and yeah, it's gonna be a good year for you, man. Oh, thank you. Trying to go up over here. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a bit of a pullback. Yeah, nice. Maybe I should buy some Bitcoin. Dude, I should have bought it when it was down there. Fuck. If you genuinely do join the mentorship, Cody, you will actually have to kiss it goodbye. Is there a slight ring come from your end? I think it's my fucking Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. It's my computer. It's like the fan just skitzing out. We be live for the New York session? Nah, I won't trade the New York, but we do have anyone that joins the mentorship. We've got Perry. So we're basically a 24-hour streaming service in the mentorship. I run the Asia stream. I do the London stream here, and then Perry runs the New York stream for the guys in the mentorship. So yeah, we're firing on all cylinders. Can you give me your input and what? And AMD? What's that mean? What time you go live on Monday? I go live the same time every single day. London Open. If you don't know when London Open is for you, go to babypips.com. Babypips.com. And if you go at the top here, there's a tool section. And when you click that tool section, it says Forex market hours. And then when you go down, you can see here. This is Forex market hours. So right here, market opens for me. The London Open is a blue one at 5 p.m. This clock will automatically adjust for what time that is for you. And look, New York is coming up at 10 p.m. for me. Asia for me is 10. So you can use this tool to kind of figure that shit out. You guys want to be trading those high volume sessions. You want to be, and you can even see down here, this is actually surprisingly accurate. See how this volume indicator thing down the bottom? This is actually surprisingly accurate. So yeah, it goes up there at Asia Open. This Asia one needs to be higher because the market's changed. Pre-London to London Open, New York, right? That's the high volume. And then the death zone here before Asia. A couple hours into Asia type shit. Yeah, I think that'll be a good idea, Perry. It shouldn't be that high impact news. Like, it shouldn't be that hectic. But you guys could get absolutely cooked. Make sure you're extra cautious today. Last day of the month. And it's a Friday. Yep. Just joined the mentorship recently. Just curious if you would say you get more breakout or type 2 trades during the day. Lately, bro, Alex, type 2s, I think. Any of you guys that are in the shadows in the mentorship, you guys need to be active more. Let me help you, bro. Be active in the Discord. Be active in the main chat. Send us selfies. Just send a fucking selfie like this. Hey guys, took a loss today. Like, you know what I mean? But yeah, Alex, I would say, actually, I don't know. It's pretty, type 2. We've been getting more type 2. Connect, guys. Connect in the Discord, in the mentorship. Doesn't matter. So what do we got here? Look at this. This is quite an interesting formation, right? But I do know on the 15, this is chop suey all through here. Yeah, it's pretty ugly. I was just thinking that, deleter, but the thing is, man, you got to be real. This is ugly. Like, I would honestly, I don't really want to trade in here. I don't know if I really want to trade in there at all. If we're going to be really real with ourselves, I don't want to have to give back profits just because. Yeah, I understand that breakouts are a bit more. Yeah, you're probably going to get a high win rate on type 2s. I will admit that. But breakouts, I have a soft spot for breakouts because I know so many people find it so difficult. And I know, because people look at my strategy and they think it's simple. But even like I had a one-on-one today with Deleter and he said, man, your strategy is really simple, but it's actually not. There actually is a lot of nuances and like really small things that it's not very simple. But yeah, breakouts I have a soft spot for because you can get really juicy moves with a breakout, but there's small things that it's just like, you know, don't let it fucking, it'll bite you, man. It'll snip you. NQ kept moving up here. You just wanted to go up so I can sell it? DJ, get that out of your head, brother. You're already making a deal in your own head of what you want to see, not what it's actually doing. Like you're saying, when it goes up, you're going to click sell. But if it's going up, then it's going up. Click buy. Like, don't anticipate a move. Just react to the move. Beautiful, Keefe. You guys, if I get a million if I get 2 million, so if I pass this, it's $1 million funding. That's 2 million in funding. I can finally quit my job. Jokes. Can you play Rust? Nah, if I play a game, it'll be Fortnite, but I don't even play. I don't really play anymore. Too busy. You've not seen Perry? Perry's live pretty much every day during the New York. Yeah, make sure, hey Perry, when you're live, I think he does tag everyone. He tags Mentorship Access to leaders, so make sure you keep an eye out. He does tag everyone, like you'll get a notification. Yeah, notifications are on, yeah. Connect, bro. Oh, Matt, yeah, I was saying before, I bought 1 million Apex accounts today. I haven't traded it yet. Yeah, they have a big discount, so I was like, I fucking might as well just stack up on a couple more. If I pass that, then I'll be literally 1.8 milli funded, which is wild. I'm gonna have to go aggressive on one of them. Nah. See, that's what gets you in trouble. Nah, it's all right. You get greedy, because like really, if I could just scalp what I do every day here, it's like 7K a day type shit. Here in my head, oh, might as well go aggressive. Hey, motherfucker! 7K a day is aggressive! Anyway. Really cheap, Matt. They had some discount on. It's pretty much the same as Bullinox. But a little bit cheap. It was cheaper. It was cheaper. You got a fetish for my love. All right, gold's doing nothing, bro. We'll hang out. I'm gonna hang out for one more candle, you guys, but we might call it in a day in a minute. Liso, type into Google babypips.com and then go to the tools section at the top and go to Forex market hours. So gold doesn't respect BOS. BOS, break of structure. You know, none of this shit works by itself, right? You know, none of this shit works by itself. No Head and Shoulders works by itself. No break of structure works by itself. None of this shit works by itself. How do I find Perry on TikTok? Type in Perry. Let's have a look. I don't know. Actually, I better not give it out. I don't know if he wants it. With that being said, hey, I'm going to say something right here. You know, we've got nearly 1,000 traders here. Hey, you guys. Post your trading content. Post your trading content. You little bitch. Like, you guys want to do it. Post your trading content. That's all. You don't have to be profitable. You don't have to be this. You don't need that setup. You don't need this. Post your trading content. That's all. Yeah, I'm going to wait here. I'll wait for this candle to close and we'll see. I'll see. Check premium chat. Oh yeah, anyone's got any analysis and shit, throw it in the chat. What did you do, Mitch? There's nothing here. Mad Lord, we don't use the F word. Let me join your Discord. Yeah, it's pinned in the YouTube chat. You guys have to come over to YouTube. I'm live there right now if you want to access. Hey, you guys, can we get to 100 likes over here on YouTube? Can you guys drop a like so I can get to 200 likes? Then you're a great guy. Gary, you're a better guy. You're way better there. Just realized this light's not on. It looked a bit different. Fuck it. Let me hit the gym with you. Yeah, come hit the gym. Been seeing you green a lot these days. Keep it up, bro. I'm firing on all syllables lately, man. It's out of control. I will say that. I will say that. Yeah, I'll say that. It's probably been the best week I've ever had. I think conditions. So when the tariffs kicked in, I sized down a little bit and tried to adjust to the new market structure. And now I've settled into it a bit more. And I think the market's settled down a little bit as well. So it's really kind of getting back to favoring our system. So it's been a great week. Oh, look at this. This is Mitch's setup. Finally set. Mitch makes trading content. You're good, bro. Mitch, keep doing it, brother. Looks like you got some sort of new camera here as well. Beautiful. Yep. Got a mic. Excellent. Deleter, don't make me fly to freaking where you live, to your workplace, your family workplace, and spank you. Because there is no type 2. How do I get a strategy for my own? You don't. You learn it off someone else, and then you make it your own. Unless you are open to spending 5 years in the trenches, losing all of your money, going through all the tears, your family members telling you, please stop, please, please. And you're like, no, I'm going to create my own strategy. Where you could have just, in like 6 months, adopted a strategy that's already works, spent time learning that, made it your own, put your own personality into it, and found success extremely quicker. Levski, what up, my brother? It's good to catch up with you today, bro. Doing well. Everyone's doing. All you guys in the mentorship are starting. It's really starting to click for you guys now, which is good. Like, obviously, there's still a long way to go, but it's starting to click. Starting to click. Then just breeding trading influences. No, I want you guys to, because here's the thing with like making content regarding the thing that you're passionate about is when I started making content, I'd only ever spoke to one other trader. One. Now I've got a community of thousands. I'm teaching other traders, other people asking. This is my passion. I get to be around other cool people. Like, so much can come out. And now I've got prop firms offering me 10 to 15K a month plus commissions to represent them. And like, yes, trading is one thing, but building a brand around the thing that you're passionate about is really important, you guys. Unless you want to be in and out of this game quick and you just want to be just a trader, which is totally fine. But there's a lot that can come out of building a personal brand. It's just how it is these days. Like, and it feels good to have a personal brand. Like, I can go out, bro. I've been out at night at like a bar and dudes are coming up to me like, hey, you like the trader dude, the streamer? And it's like people know, like will get to know you and shit. They used to say, hey, you that dude with the massive, you know what I mean? But now they're like, you're that trader. But yeah, man, like there's more doors can open with personal branding. And the thing is, if you're passionate about this, why not document it and make a brand out of it, a personal brand? Solid advice. Yeah, man, do it. It's just what it is. Like, but only do it if you've got like something in your head that's telling you like, oh man, I really want to make content. Like I'd love to post this. So don't, and trust me, you don't need to be profitable, because there's something about you as an individual that somebody wants to learn from. Somebody wants to connect with you that I can't. They can't connect with me, but you have something individualized. Like there's something about you that they want to, that you'll connect with somebody that I won't be able to. Right? It's not about boasting, bragging. It's not about what your family might think. Just, bro, you're going to be dead soon. Like, who cares? No, I don't know what liquidity sweeps are, bro. Sorry. Connect, bro. That's right, Aaron. Been amazing. This whole community has benefited my mental health like crazy. Yeah, like Perry's fucking getting shredded and like all sorts of shit, man. What did you say to your job when you quit? I walked in and I just slammed down the desk, my funded account. And I said, see you later, boss. Nah, I'm only joking. I called my boss. I said, bro, I got to quit. I have to do it, bro. I have to go all in. That's exactly what I said. Because I already knew about my streaming and shit and my trading and just everything. I was like, bro, I have to go all in, man. I want to join the mentorship, but I just worry about the hours, how I can fit it in. Chris, the mentorship isn't like you need to be like doing this. Like the mentorship is just the entire course and me. Like I work with you. We book one-on-ones. You learn the strategy. You join the community. You join the private live streams, and we just continue to grow. Like it's not something that's going to require all this hectic shit. Any setup, bro? I'm just waiting a little bit longer, man. I'm waiting. There's not really. Like NQ, not really, bro. I got one more candle in me. I've got one more candle in me. Please look at my TikTok story and Tommy. And look at my TikTok story. Me and my girlfriend met Central C in Dubai. We have a selfie with him. Oh, nice. I can't do that on here, bro, but that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. What do you look for when you're trading NAS? Just the same thing I look for when I'm trading gold. You are a full-time trader? Yes, man. May I ask the coupon code? Yep. Last day, you guys. Last day. Coupon code 90% off. YRB9G. Up to 250,000 off using code YRB9G. All Bullinox accounts only. Closing down store sale. Whoever trades these days is a mambler. No! He caught us! Guys, I got to shut down the stream. We actually just got fucking called out. We just got called out. He found out the truth. Congrats on AK. Thank you, brother. Thank you, bro. Yeah, do it, Perry. Or just call it Tory Trades. Just call your trading name Tory Trades' boyfriend. That's your name. God, you really going to get stuck here, are you? I mean, do we want to take it? Nah. Damn, secret. How much is the camera? Really good quality. Thank you, bro. It's not that much. Oh, was it? Wait, how much was my camera? ZVE10. The lens, I think, was more expensive. Yeah, it was about $1,000. And the lens was like $750. Damn, my camera is pretty okay. I didn't think it was that expensive. Yeah, I paid 1,200, I believe. Yeah, I paid 1,200. Fuck, I've got a pretty good camera, actually. Yeah, I didn't even realize. Friday night, we the working people finally have the weekend. Farishi, you could have a weekend every day if you master this skill. I'm not saying that to be a dick. I'd love to help you. Just understand the possibilities are very achievable. Trade's been good, brother. Yeah, ask her to be a mummy for sure. Yeah, we're getting chop suey to here, you guys. Like I said, I'll wait for one more candle, one more 15, but yeah, it's not looking good. We got a nice NQ buy there, but we got to be happy with that. We got it. Ooh, what are we doing here? There's the probability of NQ wanting to retest this level is just so fucking. If NQ wants to close below this point here, I might be interested in a sell. We'll see. It depends what you mean, Toledo, by all markets, all pairs, do you mean? Yes, but NQ and gold is where you're going to find the most success with it. Your stops are too close and you make it uncomfortable with your trades. Unprofitable trader too. Thank you. Thank you. Damn it. I knew after all this time that was my fucking issue. That's what it was. You know, when I'm sitting here and I rock up to 2 sessions and trade every day 2 sessions and I can't remember my last legit loss? It's because of that. Nah, I'm joking. Looks like a lovely type 3. It's a type 3, you guys. Oh, that's so fucking good. NFP stream next Friday. Yeah, we're going to have to do it, man. We're going to have to do it on an NFP stream. Maybe I should stack up on a few accounts to save for NFP. You lost this morning. That didn't count. That didn't count. That account that I blew this morning didn't count. That was a mamble. Bro trying to rent prop firms? Fucking oath. It's the best way to do it. Trust me, whoever goes on social media needs money from your attention. Yes. Especially when I started streaming. It's come up to 10 months with 0 viewers for 3 months. Buy me account together. You got a fetish for my love. I have the most zesty song stuck in my head, bro. Yeah, so I'll give this candle one last shot. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a sub as well, gang. I'm live every day on YouTube. Look at this stream, you guys. Look how bad it used to be. It's kind of tapped down in these lows, but I could see it maybe coming down a bit further. Coming down a bit further. Dude. Before I sat down here, I had to, just chill. No, I don't trade crypto, Amira. For our one-on-one, I would have definitely taken this type 2. Yeah, that's good, Aaron. That's really good, bro. Those small tweaks, and that's the importance of these one-on-ones where we can just call out small things and save you money, essentially. Bring back the beard. Lord. Big Static, what up, gang? Stagzilla. Tori Trades is in the chat. Hi, Tori. I've seen you start to read the Bible. I really want to know what you was going to read from it now. Oh, I read it out. I already did that. Already did that part. If you want to see, I'm live on YouTube. You can watch the stream back. I come live every day at... Oh, is this a 30? No, it's a 15. At London Open. Man. Dog shit. I know, we've got 4 minutes. A lot can happen in 4 minutes, but... Like, if there was 2 words to describe right now, dog shit. What up, Pirate Dave? Why you not use my strategy, my love? It's good, Jay. It's good to lurk. No direction, Toothy. Just kind of potentially waiting for like something. So what is this 1 hour? If this 1 hour closes, what's it going to look like? You know, 18 minutes. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, nice, Paul. Okay, good, man. Yep. You guys in the mentorship, stack those journals, boys. Stack those journals. Yes, volume died down, and volume knows that we're on the hunt. It knows that we're on the hunt, man. Yeah. I'm going to call it there, guys. Really good NQ. I'm done for the week and the month, technically. I've had an impeccable month, I will say that. And, yeah. Low volume. Don't force it. If you're going to trade New York, be extra cautious. And you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a fucking subscribe. Be live again Monday. And the guys in the mentorship, I'll see you guys on Sunday, but I'll talk to you after this anyway. Sunday seminar. Love you guys. Be safe. And I'll catch up with you on the next stream. Alhamdulillah.